Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn Winston Salem Route 52. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off the John Gould Memorial Expressway, this hotel is 10 minutes drive from Wake Forest University. Features include an outdoor seasonal swimming pool and laundry facilities. Cable TV and a telephone are provided in the simply decorated rooms at the Rodeway Inn Winston Salem. Rooms are also equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception is provided. Coffee is offered in the mornings. Piedmont Triad International Airport is 30 minutes drive from the hotel. The shopping, dining and entertainment of Central Winston Salem are less than 5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.